from LP Savani Riverside School, Krupali Home. Food, all the kind of microorganisms, some of them are beneficial to us and some of them are harmful. We will also learn about the rhizobium, which are the nitrogen fixing bacteria. Now we human body are not able to consume directly nitrogen from the air. That's why we have to include it in our diet. How this nitrogen cycle is running out and how it's get fixation, we will learn in this topic 2.6 nitrogen fixation. You have learned about the bacterium rhizobium in class 6th and 7th. It is involved in the fixation of nitrogen in leguminous plant. It means pulses. The seed you can divide into two parts, or you can say pulses, leguminous plants, and the root of this leguminous plant there is a bacteria named rhizobium. Recall that rhizobium lives in the root nodules of leguminous plant. Nodules means node-like structure on the roots of plant of leguminous species, such as here is the example given, beans and peas, with which it has a symbiotic relationship. Symbiotic relationship, we are already learn about this relationship, beneficial for the host also and this bacteria also. Suppose for the pea plants, there is rhizobium bacteria on the root of pea plant. Then how both are beneficial for each other? This rhizobium gives the nitrogen to the pea plant and pea plant give the space to live the rhizobium bacteria. That's why a space and the nutrition too. That's why it is the symbiotic relationship, plus relationship. You can also say that it is the relationship in which both the organism are having in the benefit. Sometimes nitrogen gets fixed through the action of lightning, but you know that the amount of nitrogen in the atmosphere remains constant. The amount will be remains constant. The fixation will take place only the form of its state. You may wonder how. Let's understand this in the next section. Here we have the roots, and if you can see clearly, here are the nodules, nodes-like structure on the root of leguminous plants, or you can say pulses, where the rhizobium bacteria or you can say nitrogen fixing bacteria are live. Figure 2.9, roots of leguminous plant with root nodules. 2.7, nitrogen cycle. What is the cycle? What is the nitrogen cycle? Conversion of nitrogen into one to another form and its constant amount will remain stable. It is the nitrogen cycle. Our atmosphere has 78% nitrogen gas. It has 78%. It means very huge amount of air is filled with the nitrogen gas. Nitrogen is one of the essential constituent of all living organisms as part of proteins, chlorophyll, nucleic acid and vitamins. These all the things are present inside our body, and for the formation of protein, chlorophyll, nucleic acid and vitamins there is needs to be having nitrogen. Chlorophyll we human beings doesn't possess because only plants having the chlorophyll for formation of its own food. Then how this nitrogen will take place inside the living body? Let's see. The atmospheric nitrogen cannot be taken directly by plants and animals. Plants and animals both can't take the direct nitrogen from the atmosphere even it is present in very huge amount inside the air. Certain bacteria and blue-green algae present in the soil fix nitrogen from the atmosphere and convert it into the compounds of nitrogen. What we are learning here is certain bacteria, some kind of bacteria. Suppose we are taking as example here rhizobium bacteria and blue-green algae. It is the type of algae, blue-green algae, which are present in the soil. Actually, soil don't have sterile anywhere. Definitely there will certain kind of bacteria and virus is present inside the soil, and as that are present inside the soil, these are also possible to living in the soil. And what they are doing, what's the function of this bacteria and blue green algae is they fix the nitrogen from the atmosphere and convert into the compounds of nitrogen. Means this bacteria and algae will take the nitrogen from the atmosphere and convert it into the compound of nitrogen. Bacteria and algae can take the nitrogen directly from the air, but plant and animal cannot take from the air directly. Once nitrogen is converted into these usable compounds, it means the function is of this algae and bacteria the conversion of nitrogen into the compounds. It can be utilized by plants from the soil through their root system. Plant will absorb the nitrogen through their roots. Nitrogen is used for the synthesis of plant proteins and other compounds. Now, up to this point, we know that plant is taking the nitrogen from the nitrogen compound which is formed by this blue-green algae and the bacteria. Now, what is the function of that absorbed nitrogen? The function is to synthesize the protein or other essential compound in the plant body. Animals feeding on plants gets these proteins and other nitrogen compounds, and whatever the amount of protein is present inside that plant products or other compounds, that plant product or plants will be digested by the animals, and that's how animal will also carry indirectly nitrogen from the plants. When the plants and animals die, bacteria and fungi present in soil convert the nitrogenous wastage into nitrogenous compounds to be used by plants again. What will happen now? Just see, when this nitrogen containing plant will be die and mix up with soil, again this blue green algae and the bacteria will taking out the nitrogen from that plant and make it the usable form. When the plants and animals die, bacteria and fungi present in the soil convert the nitrogenous waste into the nitrogenous compounds to be used by the plants again. Certain other bacteria convert some part of them nitrogen gas which goes back into the atmosphere. Some of the nitrogen will be go back to the atmosphere, and as a result the percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere remains more or less constant. It will be never change. It will constant always. Let's start the cycle. First, here the nitrogen will be present in the air. Then after lightning, by lightning and nitrogen fixing bacteria, the nitrogen will be fixed inside the plant. Suppose it is lightning, then even it will be fixed. Suppose, just see here, by the nitrogen fixing bacteria, what will happen? Bacteria in turn fix the nitrogen into nitrogen compounds, and it will be utilized by the plants. Compounds of nitrogen in the soil. These bacteria will be mix up the compounds to the soil, and lightning will also be mix up the nitrogen compounds to the soil. This compound will be taken by plants, and then animals eat this plant, and nitrogenous waste from the excretion and the death, or directly this compound will be taken by bacteria and turn compounds of nitrogen into gaseous nitrogen. It is your nitrogen cycle, and here your chapter is done. As a homework, you have to write full exercise given by me in your notebook, fair book, with neat and clean handwriting.